the meantime, also speaking of the parliament, talk about this massive showdown that is expected to happen, where according to developments and reports, Home Minister Amit Shah would be introducing the high-stakes bill that will give Vande Mataram the exact same legal power and statutory shield as the national anthem. Now, the government is preparing to introduce a bill that seeks to bring the national song under the ambit of the Prevention of Insults to the National Honour Act 1971. Let's connect with Shivam on this. So, Shivam, the government that intends to bring the bill in Rajya Sabha today to make any obstruction or any insult to the national song Vande Mataram a criminal offence.
Well, exactly. And now we have seen earlier also in March when the first advisory that came in regarding this national song Vande Mataram being played twice in any government, programs and any official programs. Now, what we've been given to understand, it is in the official business list of the Rajya Sabha that on the first day, Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, will bring this particular bill. Now, that seeks to amend certain sections of, as you rightly mentioned, Prevention of Insults of the National Honour Act, and which makes it that national song will also get as same as the statutory method of national anthem, which makes any insult to national song a criminal offence with a punishment up to 3 years. But again, the politics has also started with that. We have seen earlier also CPIM main leader John Brittas writing the letter and urging the Home Minister to take this particular bill back, because according to him, what he was saying that because of the history has shown us there have been certain deliberations that were happening during the Constitutional Assembly and the next 3 decades, which does not put the national song and national anthem.
So the Prevention of Insults to the National Honour Amendment Bill 2026 that has now been listed as the agenda of the Rajya Sabha, with Home Minister Amit Shah, who is expected to introduce the bill in the upper house. Well, as far as the proposed bill that actually seeks to amend the Prevention of Insults to the National Honour Act of 1971, and however, when it comes to bringing the national song under its legal protection, if passed, then that means insulting Vande Mataram or deliberately disrespecting it could now become a punishable offence. The bill also proposes action against those who prevent, block or disrupt singing of the national song. Now, the proposed punishment could include up to 3 years of imprisonment, fine or both. Now, according to the provisions of the bill, if any act causing obstruction in the singing of the national song or causing insult in it would form to be made punishable, where the government's push to accord the national song is the same status as the national anthem, comes amid the year-long celebrations of the Vande Mataram's 150th anniversary. And that seems to be the reasons that have been attributed as far as giving the honour equally as Jan Gan Man, which is the national anthem, also promoting national song as the national pride, and highlighting its role when it comes to the freedom movement and giving greater legal protection and the recognition that it deserves.